certain buttons of your remote don't work? Here is a quick hack for you. You can just fix it in a matter of minutes. I also face the same problems, but here we are with a fix. Let's get into it. I'm going to explain this in a minute. To make a quick video, I opened up my remote earlier. First, take the batteries off, then remove screws if present, then pry gently if needed. The shiny part you saw earlier is the fix. We need adhesive. And yes, tablet packet. Just kidding, we need only the aluminum foil of tablet. Any aluminum foil will work. I have cut it earlier according to button size. Then used adhesive to glue it on the inside part of a button. All these buttons didn't work. Now all these buttons work like new. Now the testing part. If a button doesn't work, then the infrared light won't light up. My IR is lighting, which means all set. From now on, you don't have to worry about remote buttons. So, what are you waiting for? Like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Thank you for watching.